Hey guys, Matt back here with another troubleshoot guide. And for today, we are going to be discussing how to troubleshoot your bass when it's not getting power. And it can be as simple as you press the button on your remote and nothing's happening and you're concerned that, hey, my bass is broken potentially. I'm here to assure you that 9 out of 10, 19 out of 20 of these calls that we get, it's just a simple connection issue with the power. So I'm going to walk you through how to handle that with our different basses. And this same process is going to be the same for our Elite 250 bass, the Elite 500 bass, the Ascent bass. So if you have any of those basses, stay tuned because we're going to be able to walk you through that and get you back up and running as quick as possible. So first things first, this might sound obvious, but we want to make sure that we check the connection. Is your bass plugged into the wall? Because often I find that it's as simple as, hey, something hit that plug and it's pulled out a little bit and all of a sudden it's just simply not plugged into the wall. So first things first, I always say, it sounds simple, but check the outlet and make sure that your bass is actually still plugged into the wall. Secondly, we want to make sure that that outlet has power. You'd be surprised at how many times there are situations where we assume that there's some issue with the bass and then we find out that the fuse has been tripped on that particular outlet just from other stuff that's plugged into it, anything like that. The basses don't draw a lot of power, so a bass isn't going to, on its own, make anything trip. But sometimes you just lost power in that particular outlet. So check by plugging in something else into that outlet. Make sure that you still actually have power there because that can solve your problem right off the bat without having to do anything else. So the next step in checking to make sure our bass has power is we're going to check the power bar that's on your power cord. And because with any bass that's being powered, there's 3 different connections you have to be concerned with. The wall, which we've already checked, so that is secure. The outlet has power. Then we're going to check the actual box in the middle because there is a connection right here that this piece right here, you want to make sure that it's plugged into the power bar, and there's a green light that will light up on here to make sure that this is in fact getting power. So once we're here, and you can see that this has the green light on it, we know we're in business power-wise right there. So if we've gotten this far, we know that there's power in the wall, there's power to the box in the middle of the cord. Finally, we need to make sure that your bass itself is getting power, and that's in the control box here. So you can see if you follow the cord along, and you can even do this when the bass is on the ground. I've just tilted the bass on its side to make it really nice and visual to show you what you're looking for if you're laying on the ground looking at your bass. So the control box right here, you can see there's a green light right here that's lit up. And if I pulled the power cord out, obviously that's going to turn off. I don't need to do that right now, but you can pull the power cord out. But I'm looking here and I say, the outlet has power, the box has power, the control box has power. So the bass does have power, but often I will tell you, I can't emphasize this enough. We have issues, customers call us, they say, my bass is broken, it's not working. And it's somewhere along the line. It's either the outlet in the wall, the box in the middle, or the connection to the control box here. One of those 3 has come loose, just slightly wiggled loose. So if you push it nice and tight in, push all connections, you're back in business and there's no issue with your bass, and then you can enjoy it the way you want to. So thanks for checking in. This is another troubleshoot guide on how to make sure your bass has power.